Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can forward domain on GoDaddy. So for that you need to open up GoDaddy's website, and after that just sign into your account or log into your account. And after logging into your account you will be able to see different domains that you have, and just right beside the domain of your choice that you want to forward you will be able to see this option of DNS. Just click on it, and after that you need to scroll down to the forwarding section on the DNS page, and after that just click on add forwarding, and after that enter the website to which you want to forward the domain to. And after that you need to just select the forward type, whether you want to forward it for permanent basis or on the temporary basis. And after that just click on save and it will be forwarded, and this is how you forward domain on GoDaddy. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.